wireless IP camera.
A-Zone Wi-Fi outdoor security camera, 1080p, IP66. Extends the rain and the snow. It has 115 degrees view. It also has two-way audio.
Now, the inside camera is well built, as you see on the screen. I like the antenna, everything built real nice. Now, everything is sealed. Now, if you look this way, that's the speaker, and right over here, and it has gasket. That's good, right? Because water will not get in. You have the micro SD card, and that's a backup. That will record all the time, and also will send the signal to your phone. So we close that up, and as you see, nice, well built. Now, from this side, we have the power. One is the power, this one is the power, and this one is the reset switch. If you want to reset the camera, start from the beginning, you reset the switch. Now, what we have, so the camera, power supply, make it easy, put this around the wall, drill the wall, without guessing. Comes with the screws, a screwdriver for the memory, instructions, manuals, the sticker in the house, and the nice tool to, if you want to allocate this in a different angle. Now, manual, pretty simple. We're going to do that right now. Give you all the instructions. So here, iOS device, iPhones, tablets, and this one Android device. In my case, I have an Android device. So the only thing you need to get the IQ reader. Is free. Just look for any IQ reader and scan this. When you scan, I show you what happened. All right, soon you plug it in, it will let you know. It comes with a little music, a tone. And very important, this is good for the 100 to 240, means you can use anywhere around the world. So we hear that. Now to reset, you just press here, hold it for a few seconds, let it be, and now it will delete any configuration in the camera. It will reset itself now, and we're gonna have to wait for 2 seconds. It's 2 beats. So now, first thing, you gotta make sure you are at 2.4 gigahertz. This camera supports 2.4, not 5. So now the next step is scan that one that I show you. You download the application, it's totally free. When you download it, what are you gonna do? You open the application. Now, when you open the application for the first time, you need to sign up. You gotta put your email address and name of the account, and it's done. And then you go to this, what you see right now. Okay, so you hear the 2 beeps. So every 20 seconds, it will be 2 beeps. Let you know it's ready for pair. So at that point, we press the plus, and it says that we hear like the 2 beeps with that. So we hear the 2 beep, and if we look here, it has a little red point. It's a little hard to see that, but it blinks red. But you hear the every 20 seconds, the 2 beep. So yes, I hear that sound. So make sure you are at 2.4. So I'm connected to my network. You're gonna have to put the password of your network. When you do that, connect to my Wi-Fi. So
wait for it to scan.
So we're gonna do this. We wait.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Wi-Fi connected.
That's it. It's done. Then we click next, and we wait.
Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now.
Actually, you hear the volume from my phone and for the camera. The camera is real loud. I love the resolution. The resolution is real good. So I put the camera there so we can see now which way we want to do. In the living room, the office, you can set anything you want. So we're going to put the living room. We put safe. And cloud, you can start using the cloud if you want. I'm not going to use the cloud. Local, it gives you a few details. And right there, it's me. It already took the channel. So right over here, we're going to click in the picture. It's going to connect to the camera. And as you see me there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch this to full screen. And you see beautiful resolution. I can zoom in if I want. Look, pretty close and nice. That's it starts right away. I can take a picture. So I'll take a picture right there. I can record. So it's recording right now. So imagine the camera detects something. You get a notification, you film, and you start recording. But at the same time, the camera will record right over there. So you can choose. Automatic records there. You can view that anytime or right over here. Now it has a microphone. The microphone works powerful. This is real good, the speaker. I'm not going to activate it now because it's going to give me feedback. I'm too close to the camera. When the camera is set, your next thing is do some little configuration. You can set this to automatic or HD. I have an HD right now. You can sign up for the cloud if you want. And you can set now, update the firmware. You can do more settings, the motion detector, if it's a noise, how you want it to detect, you want to record, you want a notification, that's real not. A pretty simple to use camera. If you saw there real time, and only told me what, about 1 minute to configure the whole camera. Put it outdoor, you can put it outdoor anywhere inside the house, and it's real nice, white color, perfect for anywhere in the house. All right, so with this we complete the tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye.